Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Comida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, April 28, 2025. Kailin ibinandera ang magical adventure sa Korea, bet na bet ang Seoul. Napuno ng kilig at good vibes ang K-Beauty Glow Up event dahil sa mga trending beauty tips at travel inspo straight from Korea na hatid ng Korean Cultural Center in the Philippines, KCC, at Korea Tourism Organization, KTO. Pero syempre, ang naging highlight dyan ay yung malatok show ng young actress na si Kailin Alcantara. Lahat yan ay nasaksihan mismo ng bandera kaya kahit kami mismo ay nag-enjoy sa opening ng 2-day event na ginanap sa SM Aura sa Taguig noong April 25. Ibinahagi ni Kailin ang kakaiba niyang beauty at travel experiences sa South Korea bilang honorary tourism ambassador ng KTO sa loob ng 3 taon. I have visited Korea 4 times already, but 3 of those are with the KTO. So the first time that I went to Korea, we went to Busan. It was super fun kasi yung vibe niya is super chill but at the same time the culture is deeper also. And the second and third time that I went to Korea, we went to Incheon, Seoul, chika niya. Naikwento rin niya kung anong panahon ang bet niya sa nasabing bansa, summertime, all the time. Well, I wanna try the winter also pero probansya na kasi ako, so ginawin talaga ako. Pagdating sa pinaka-memorable moment niya sa Korea, hirap si Kailin mamili, because every time that I go to Korea, it's such a memorable experience. I always say the word magical every time that I go to Korea because the sun is different, the weather is different, the fashion is different, the culture also is different, but maybe going to the Korean Beauty Festival is the most memorable, because I met executives there, politicians. It was such a great privilege to be sitting alongside those big names. At that time, kabado ako but they're so sweet, Koreans are charming, they're also beautiful. Siyempre, hindi pinalampas ang tanong kung alin sa mga lugar sa Korea ang kanyang paborito. Ang sagot niya, of course, Seoul because everything is there. Dagdag niya, the reason why I travel is because I want to know the country's culture, but yeah, just Seoul because everything is there, samgyup is there, beauty and wellness is there. At para kay Kailin, ano kaya ang magiging patok sa mga Pinoy pagdating sa K-beauty trends? The influence of Korea here in the Philippines is very thick, the partnership, the friendship. But I think, the color analysis will be the most popular among Filipinos, sambit niya. Patuloy ni Kailin, and if you're gonna think about it in a deeper level, ang sabi nga nila kaya sila nagbukas ng color analysis salon is because para makilala mo pa yung sarili mo and I think that's important especially these days. Bukod sa color analysis, pakiramdam niya raw ay magiging patok din sa mga Pinoy ang Korean spa and massage dahil na rin sa traditional Korean medicine na kasama nito. Nung ginawa ko siya, I felt so calm, there's a certain healing talaga. So everything that I did in Korea really helped me right now, wika niya. Highlight din ng event ang pagkakaloob ng Certificate of Appreciation kay Kailin mula kay KTO Philippines Director Park Yoon-jae bilang pasasalamat sa kanyang kontribusyon sa pagpapalaganap ng Korean culture sa Pilipinas. Bukod kay Kailin, nagbigay rin ng mensahe ang mga opisyal na dumalo. Ayon kay Ambassador of the Republic of Korea to the Philippines He. Lee Sang-hwa, K-Beauty Glow Up is more than an event. It is a stepping stone for greater invitation. I like to invite you to Korea Beauty Festival 2025, which is happening from June 19 to July 18. We'd like to welcome even more Filipinos to this celebration of beauty, culture, and well-being. Habang si Tourism Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco naman ay nagbahagi ng kanyang pagmamalasakit sa tunay na kahulugan ng K-Beauty, it's not just about perfection, it's about honoring who you are, finding joy in your own skin, and expressing yourself with pride with a little help of course with products and technology that makes one's beauty glow just a little right. I can attest to this myself having used Korean products. At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page, Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, Indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios.